Well, hi y'all. Welcome back to my kitchen. Hope everybody's doing good today. I've got a real good one for y'all. We are making pork chop supreme. It's comfort food easy. It smells good and it smells like heaven when it's baking. And before we even get started, let me tell y'all, I'm excited today because I finally upgraded my stove and refrigerator. Lord have mercy, my old stove was 30 years old. The things have cooked more meals than I can count, and my refrigerator, it has been with me 20 years. So, and still runs like a champ. But, you know what? Mama deserves something nice. So, my sweet husband went and got me a new refrigerator and a new stove, and I'm loving it. Oh my goodness. I want y'all to see my new stove. Isn't it pretty? Oh yes, I love it. And look at my refrigerator. It's a big one. It's a lot bigger than what we had, but I love it. I am tickled pink. Yes, I am. Okay, let me tell you what's gonna go on with the pork chops, what the ingredients are. We're gonna have pork chops. We're gonna have medium potatoes sliced. We're gonna have the Lipton onion soup mix, and I've got this, and cream of mushroom, and then you're gonna have some milk and the salt and pepper and minced garlic and the seasons of your choice, and salt and pepper. Which, here's the pork chops, and I gotta start seasoning these in just a minute. So let me get this y'all adjusted here. Put some pepper, put some salt, I'm gonna put some parsley flakes, and y'all can put whatever seasonings y'all want. It's just up to y'all. And I found this some garlic and herbs. I like it. But like I said, whatever seasonings y'all want to put, whatever you have, what you like. And I always like to use smoked paprika, so do your own judgment. And I've got some roasted garlic and herbs. It's just, I like all kind of seasonings. That's just me. I just love seasons. Then I turn it over. Go wash my hands. Start again. No particular order of how you put your seasonings on. I just grab as I go. But I do the same process. Got some pepper going. And some salt. And the parsley. My husband says he don't like that green stuff. But it gives it flavor. It's what makes it good. I love parsley on my food. Okay, I've lined up the potatoes and I've sliced them real thin, and I put them in a casserole dish, and I'm going to put some onions and some scallions, and I'm just going to line them up over here. Whoa, they're going to try to get away from me here. Doing this with one-handed, I probably should have set the camera up so I could do it, but I figured I'd do it like this so y'all could see. But I sliced these onions in circles, and I got scallions over here. This is going to give it some flavor. And I'm going to lay the pork chops on top of this. So, let me set the camera down and I'll come back with you. Let me get the pork chops over here so I can arrange them. Okay, in the mixing bowl I got a can of cream of mushrooms that I add. To add that, I'll add the Lipton mix. That's right, that's where the magic will happen. Let's get this in here. This I also put in. Let me get some milk. I've only got poured half a can of milk in here. Just mix it around real good. Well, I also want to put some minced garlic in here. Always gotta have minced garlic. And I pour the milk in there so it's nice and smooth. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's home cooking, not a restaurant. But I want it to be kind of mixed up good. Alright, we're looking good. And just about to pour the whole mixture over the pork chops. Yes, ma'am. Cover it up. And this is what keeps everything juicy. So let me get the pork chops over here. Let me clean up some of this mess first. I got it messy here. Put this milk back in the refrigerator. Make some room. Y'all hang on a minute. Ooh, don't these pork chops look good? My goodness. All nice and seasoned up. Now we fixing to pour the stuff to it. Alright, now we're pouring it on. Ain't it looking good? Ooh. I think I need a little bit more milk though. Alright, just kind of mix it in just a little bit. Make it a little bit more creamier. Yeah, just a little bit more creamier. Yeah, that's looking a little bit better. That's alright. We just have to add a little bit more. Sometimes we have to do that, but that's all right. You modify. It's homemade. It's all gonna be good. Ooh, these pork chops gonna be fine, fine, fine. Ooh, yeah, they're gonna be fine. Okay, now we're gonna cover them up, and then I'm gonna put them in pop them into the oven for 350 for a full hour. And if your pork chops are thicker, you might need to leave them in just a little bit extra time. Then I'll be back. My goodness, the weather has been beautiful today. So what are y'all cooking today for y'all's for this evening for y'all's dinner? Oh my goodness. It's almost ready for the dinger to go off, so this meal's almost ready. I'll be pulling it out of the oven. Oh, I sure do feel fancy with my new stove. Oh goodness. But oh, that other one, it sure didn't want to die. It just kept going and going and going. Same with the refrigerator. It just kept on going. But that's all right. It just refused to die, both of them. But Mama's happy with the new ones. Oh goodness. But leave in the comment what y'all's cooking. And I'm planning on cooking probably some, let's see. I'm going to cook a cabbage soup, I think, next. But anyway, leave in the comment and tell me what y'all having for supper. I'd love to know. Just tell me. And if y'all try this dish, let me know what y'all think about it. But let me check this. It's about time to bring it out, and I'll let y'all see it. All right, y'all, the timer is done and the kitchen smells like Sunday dinner. Look at this. The pork chops are tender, the potatoes are soft, and the sauce, honey. Don't it look good? Let me plate some of this up and let y'all see. Look at these pretty biscuits. Don't they look mighty fine? Don't that look good? Look at that biscuit. Oh, that looks so good. Let me try some of this. Look at that pork chop. Oh. Let me try this tater. Oh my goodness. Got some green beans. Got me a biscuit. Look at that biscuit. This is what y'all call real home country. Comfort here. Oh, if y'all know this, know me, this is what you call home comfort right here. If y'all try this, put it down in the comment. Oh, this is so good. Anyway, if y'all like it, share it, and hit subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Oh, and share. Oh, but thank y'all for being that y'all have shared. And thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. God bless y'all. And I'll see y'all on the next one. And I love y'all. And don't forget to hit the like. And y'all have a blessed day.